So to set my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. And this is in the color light medium to beige. So if you're like my skin tone, medium to dark, you would use this color. I like doing one eye at a time because one thing that I did learn from the Shape Tape concealer is that it dries really fast. So you have to be willing to work with it really fast. Because if you let it sit there in one eye, by the time you go to this eye, it's not as blendable. Like it's already kind of dry, stuck to your skin. And I like to do like the bridge of my nose as well, because I do sweat a lot from my nose, so I like to set that. So for the Shape Tape concealer, I totally give it a thumbs up. It's super blendable if you do it one eye at a time. But like I said, like if you just let it sit there, like it's really hard to blend out, and then you could kind of see like the dry patches. I really don't conceal that much. The only thing that I really do conceal is under my eyes, because if you've ever seen me in person with no makeup, my under eyes are really dark, so I have to color correct that really good. So I like to set. And sorry, I'm not sick, I just have. If you know me, you know that I always have allergies. Another product I haven't talked to you guys about was the Huda Beauty setting powder, and this is in the banana bread. Like I said before, if you're like a light to dark shade like me, you would get the Shape Tape in light medium beige and the Huda Beauty in banana bread. And honestly, when I first opened it, like I like to smell my products, and I smelled it and it smells literally so good. Like it's one of those makeup products that it's like worth buying, because not only do you get good quality out of it, but it's what I usually do to apply my setting powder. I grab like one of these little disposable sponges. I don't like to use my beauty blender. I don't know, I just don't like to use it. And I just apply it on. I really don't have nothing bad to say about the Huda Beauty setting powder. It's come out to be a really good product. It doesn't leave your skin dry. I've had setting powders that leave my skin dry and patchy. This doesn't leave your skin dry or patchy at all. It's a really smooth setting powder, and I honestly do not have any complaints about that. So if you're looking for a new setting powder, I suggest you go get the Huda Beauty setting powder, because it's a huge thumbs up. For my palette that I'm going to be using today, it's called Light Beam Eyeshadow Palette. Light Beam from Urban Decay. And in the inside, if you look at it, it's like super cute. It comes with your light browns, shimmers. It's super cute if you're gonna travel and you want like a really fast to go palette. It's really convenient for that. So that's the palette I'm gonna be using. I already set my eyes, so I'm just ready to go. I'm gonna jump in it. The first color that I'm gonna be going in is Beige. And to set my eyes, I did use Nudie. Yeah, it's called Nudie. For some reason I thought it was called Nude, so I was like, did I say it? And if you have this palette, you know that Vibe has a little bit of shimmer in it, but honestly, like, I can't even see the shimmer in it. So it's like a really good, like, solid color. If you think, oh, it's gonna have the shimmer, like, no, I don't see any of the shimmer in it, which is a plus. as dark as I want it. It's like a bronzy brown, nothing too much. So on a little bit of the outer, I'm gonna add influence. And that's why I wanted to stop there with the brown, because I know I wanted to add a little bit of a darker brown to it. So I didn't want it to be like too dark that I had like a black eye or something. So I'm just gonna add influence a tiny bit and kind of just smudge it out. That's such a pretty color. I don't know if you can see that, but that's bomb. It's kind of in between like a golden brown. Like, it's super cute, super cute. It's yelling summer vibes, honestly. That color hit the spot, if you know what I mean. Oh my god, I can't get over this color. And I'm just gonna give that a quick Okay, so that's super cute. I love how the influence color came out. It's like a golden brown, summer vibes type. And I'm not even done with it. This palette is like a huge thumbs up. For now, like it's coming through. Like, it really is. Like, it is such like a cute little palette to take with you if you're going somewhere special, if you're going to travel, and it's like really hitting it. Like, it really is. I kind of wasn't sure what color to go in with for my lid. It was in between Paradox and Golden Hour, which honestly I think influence should have been named Golden Hour, because it is really coming through as a really cute gold, like a bronzy gold. Like, it's super cute. But anyway, I literally swatched both of them and they're super freaking cute. But I think I'm gonna go with Golden Hour. So I think I would use Paradox for a different shade match that I would do. Just because I already add influence to it, I feel like it's too goldish, so I don't want to just overbrush that with the Paradox color, which was like more of the orangish color. So I'm gonna go in with Golden Hour, and I'm literally just gonna go in with it onto my lid. I don't know if you can see that, but that's super cute. So this was the final eyeshadow that I came up with, and I literally only used 3 colors from this palette to come up with this look. This came through. It's a huge thumbs up for me. If you're looking for a small palette, honestly I don't know how much it was. If I do have time, I will put it in the video to tell you how much it exactly is. But honestly, it really came through. And it's so cute because it has like a little mirror in it. And it's like magnetable. Like, it's a cute little palette to take with you. And it doesn't take that much room. It's literally like super small. And I literally only used 3 colors to do this look. And it came out super cute. It's really a simple look to do if you're on the go. For my under eye, I just used the color Vibe, which was like the first color that I first did for my base. And then for my highlight and my inner, I just went in with Golden Hour and I dragged it a little bit into my inner quarter. That way I didn't have to use highlight, because it worked as a highlight and a shade as a lid. And it came out super cute. I don't want to put any eyeliner on because this is just like a simple look, but honestly I think it's super cute without any eyeliner. I'm just gonna add mascara, do a little bit of bronzing, contouring, blush, and I'll see you in a little bit. Added bronzer, highlighter, and I did my lips. For my lip shade, I used the NYX Lip Tease Lip Liqueur, and this color is in Undercover Beige. And it's a super cute color, and I wanted to do lips that were super nude, super simple, because my eyeshadow is kind of like a little bit out there, not too much, but I wanted my lips to be kind of settled. I'm done with this look. I literally did this eyeshadow with 3 shades, literally 3 shades. That's all it took to get this eyeshadow look. All of that literally from the little palette that I showed you guys. Stay tuned because I have a little surprise for you guys at the end of this video. What's up, beauties? So we're at an Asian store right now. It what?
It stinks.
It's just different kinds of food. We're trying to look for the spicy ramen, so we'll keep you updated on that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Welcome back, beauties, to my channel. Today I have 2 guests for you guys. Jaime and Jocelyn. Today we're gonna be doing this volcano chicken noodle challenge. All the bitches be doing the 2 times spicy noodle, and I wanted to try something different, so let's get it going. Cheers! I'm gonna die for the one time. This is hot, bro. I'm done. Tap out. These 2 already have something to drink. I'm out here sweating. Like it's a thing to do. It's not that bad. I promise you next week I can handle it. This some other type.
It's really spicy.
The flavor is really good, but this is spicy.
Yep. Why did we even get the double spicy?
I bet you can eat this. I'll eat this in a minute. Stop playing. Alright, bet. Ready? Stop. 1. Need to get ready. Hold on. So me and Jocelyn are testing ourselves to eat in a minute. Carmen got the timer on. Let's get it.
Stop acting.
Wait, it's for you and I. Eat now, taste later.
Hey. Why did I even want to be?
I swear I'm Mexican, but
Yep.
this is spicy.
How does people mother effing lemonade?
Huh?
So we're back. Got that almond milk, healthy life. Thank you, Mom. I'm not lying to you. It's spicy.
I know it. Pretend you saw nothing.
Jaime literally just dumped Jocelyn's lemonade into his cup.
Man, I hate almond milk. I had to use it with my hands. It's the best.
Okay, so beauties, as you can see, I have no more makeup on my nose. I'm sweating like a right now. We are all tapped out. I can't even talk. I'm telling you, it is spicier than the 2 times spicy ramen noodle. I'm not lying to you. We finished the video drinking some almond milk.
And the mother effing lemonade.
You out of line. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment a different challenge, and we're down to do it as long as it doesn't involve spice. I am done. Thank you for watching. Bye, beauties.